CargoLabs is Shopify for truck insurance agents. And for example, here is one of those Shopify-like storefronts for Acrisure, specifically Acrisure South. All of these agents here have their own special pages where products can be discussed, documents can be downloaded to understand what's being offered, and instant quotes can be issued. This is true for any of the insurance agents. Each one can customize their page. Harvey Snook, my co-founder, has a more established page than most. So let's use his to get a quote. As we wait for this to load, it's pulling in all of the products that this account has the ability to purchase. So let's go ahead and get cargo insurance. We'll click next. We'll select the day we want to start coverage. Fill out all the required fields. This allows us to buy an extra $150,000 of insurance on one load. So just for one trip, which can be incredibly valuable for truckers that are looking to pick up high value commodities that pay more money just for one trip and continue hauling low value commodities the rest of the year. Click next. Now it's producing a quote for us here. And here it goes. So it's $137.98 in total. CargoLabs would make $26 on this transaction if we completed it. We use Stripe to process our payments. And then upon completion of this payment, Harvey, because we quoted with Harvey, he's the one who gets paid. Our whole system is set up such that all of these retail insurance agents are the ones who create the storefront and collect the money. Thank you so much.